Are you ready to move from reactive or time-based maintenance to predictive and prescriptive maintenance? With ABB Ability Genix APM Suite, we offer a comprehensive asset performance management solution designed to enhance uptime, safety, and performance through predictive and prescriptive analytics. Genix APM Predict simplifies the integration of condition monitoring into existing OT landscapes, prioritizes maintenance based on data, and uses OT data sensors to enhance visibility with pre-built asset models for monitoring known failure modes. Genix APM Predict 360 makes it easier for teams to work together on testing, training, and deploying predictive and prescriptive models. It captures expert knowledge and offers self-service fault modeling, starting with a library of customizable asset models and fault monitoring tools. Genix APM Perform 360 delivers a holistic view of asset performance management, health, maintenance, schedules, and lifecycle costs by contextualizing OT, IT, and ET data and using parameterized asset templates to reveal correlations and improve practices.